Francine Carrillo Walters with Walters Asset Protection and Mortgage. I wanted to come on here real quick to talk about the banking crisis that happened about 2 weeks ago. A lot of us feel like everything's okay. The government said they're going to go in, they're going to pay for everything, and everything's over. There's something important that you should know. March 26th of 2020, the Federal Reserve changed a very important law that could be the reason why this happened. They, at that point, changed the law that all depository institutions no longer had to have a reserve for the deposits. So all depository institutions, what are depository institutions? That is all banks and all credit unions. Those are all depository institutions. So before, if you deposited, let's say, $100 in the bank, they had to keep $10 in the bank and they could loan out that other 90. And then about 4:30 p.m., they have to report their deposits to the Federal Reserve, and then they can loan out 900 times that number. Now, because of that law change, they don't have to keep any of your money there. They can loan out not just that amount that's there, but times 900% that amount. Now, if they make bad investments, what does that mean for you if they make bad investments and they start having financial trouble? What it means is if that bank has to end up having to close, what they do at that point, they have 5 days to get another bank to buy them out. If that doesn't happen, that's when the FDIC insurance kicks in. FDIC means your money is covered up to $250,000. So what happens at that point? Is there going to be a man standing in front of the closed bank wearing a suit to write you a check for what you had in your account? No, not at all. That's not what happens. So you have to file a claim with FDIC insurance for the amount you had in the account. They decide how long they get to pay you that money and what those payments will be. Your obligations, your financial obligations are not considered when they're making this decision. So no matter what your mortgage is or what your obligations are, that money will be tied up and they get to decide how long they get to pay you and what those payments will be. So if you don't want that impacting you, because guys, that new law, it's still in effect. And if there's banks and other depository institutions making bad decisions, it could impact you. And so if you'd like another option, reach out to me. We have a variety of options with liquidity and based on what your goals are with the money. And so we can take care of you. So do reach out to me if you'd like to know other options that are places that still have those reserve requirements in place. And that's why they're still solid while we're having this questionable stuff going on with banks. So let me know if you need any help or have any questions I can help answer. You can text me at 713-392-5843. I'm happy to help you. Again, my phone number is 713-392-5843. I look forward to hearing from you.